Sam. We would like to remind everyone to please calm. We would like to remind everyone to please maintain the order of the program para po makapagpatuloy tayo ng smoothly sa ating programa. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our dearest President, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. The long wait is over. Change has finally arrived in Qatar. I know you are all excited at hindi ko na po ito patatagalin. May I request?
Akala ko makakapag